Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a cooking video and it's supposed to be a taco soup, but got back home, I ain't got no taco seasoning. I ain't finna go back out there. So I'm gonna emphasize. So what I'm gonna use is ground beef, ranch seasoning, complete seasoning, garlic powder, garlic pepper seasoning, black beans, rotel, pinto beans, red kidney beans, diced tomato, and whole corn of corn in a can. And then I'm gonna put some chicken broth in there. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm gonna add in my seasoning. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of complete. Okay guys, I done stirred up my seasoning in here and I'm gonna let this cook in this pot. I'm cooking enough that's gonna last us today and tomorrow. So there's gonna be 2 days worth of food, which that's what you call frugal living, because I'm stretching it. We eating leftovers to cut down on the grocery bill. So I'm gonna finish letting this cook, then I'm gonna drain this off and I'm gonna add in my ingredients, and I'm using only 1 pot only. Okay guys, so I done put in all my ingredients, so I'm gonna let it simmer. Okay, OMG y'all, I done stirred up all my ingredients and I did a little taste tester. When I tell y'all it tastes good, but I'm gonna let it simmer, slow simmer for about an hour, and we'll be back. Alright guys, it's ready. Look at, don't they look good? Oh, that sting. Sorry about the sting. Okay guys, it's the finished look. Don't they look good? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, so you'll know when I upload another video. And give me the thumbs up, fam. Until the next video, y'all have a blessed and wonderful evening. Bye-bye, fam.